Attention, this is a $36 kit. This is the TESTER68, and it is really testing the future of the budget mechanical keyboard market. How can other budget manufacturers like Royal Kludge stay solvent when they're offering an inferior product? This board has everything the same except it comes with better plate mounted stabilizers, a silicone dampener, and a cheaper price point. So overall, after completely modding the build, it will actually sound better than most cheap boards while remaining cheaper. I also decided not to use the stock keycaps because they are those paper thin ABS ones that make any keyboard sound like it has Parkinson's disease from all the rattling it does. This board does have one major downfall, and that is that it cannot be plugged in. It operates completely wirelessly through Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4 GHz wireless with a return rate of 125 Hz, whatever that means. And because it has no way of being plugged in, it operates on 3 AAA batteries. So far I have been testing this through primarily the Bluetooth 5.0 function, and it has been functioning surprisingly well. It has been almost 2 weeks and I have been able to type and game on it for hours on end with no noticeable delays or interruptions. However, the 2.4G wireless sucks. So let's see how much all this cost. It was $36 for the keyboard kit, $40 for keycaps. That brings us to a total of $76 US, not including the materials for modifications. So that's like one McDonald's shift. The mods I did on this board was just some masking tape and shelf liner inside the case, stabilizer pads on the PCB, G-lube on the switches, holy mod and dielectric grease on the stabilizers. The board also came equipped with a silicone dampener between the steel plate and PCB, which absorbs a lot of the rattle. The switches used in this build are the stock linear switches that came with the board. I have lubed them, but you cannot film them as the housing already shuts tightly. Once lubed, they are not bad switches, especially considering they came free with the kit. They are pretty much just Gateron Reds with less wobble. Time for a sound test of the board fully modified and complete. I'll be using some PBT Cool Kids keycaps clones from AliExpress. They really enhance the overall feel and sound of the board. As you heard, it is a creamy board with no rattle. It may not be the most thocc, but for $76 it is really a decent buy, especially if you are new to custom mechanical keyboards and want to test the waters to see if this hobby is for you.